This is one of the most misunderstood things. No, it's not trash on our Chesapeake waterways. That's pretty well understood. Yep, almost fell there. It's estate taxes. No, not state taxes. Estate taxes. Now let's talk about it as I clean this mess up. Now, without getting into too much detail here, assets are simply just any property of financial value owned. So homes, checking accounts, savings account, investment accounts, and even life insurance if not correctly set up. Now, these taxes are only assessed at the death of the owner if the value of the assets are over certain amounts. In Maryland, it has to be over $5 million worth of assets, taxed at a rate of 16%. Federally, over $13.61 million in assets, taxed at 40%. This tax will not be assessed on assets under those limits, and for those over the limit will not be assessed on property passed to a spouse. This is called the marital estate tax deduction and exclusion. Now, often I, with a team of estate lawyers and accountants, will work together to try to reduce the estate of decline as much as possible. And for the estate taxes that will be due on assets that we haven't reduced, those clients rely on me to implement a life insurance plan so that their heirs have a guaranteed tax-free way of funding that estate tax liability, which is due within 9 months of the deceased's death. However, a common misconception about life insurance proceeds is that they are just tax-free, and that is true when it comes to income tax. However, when the insured of that life insurance plan also has incidents of ownership, meaning they own their own plan, the government will include that death benefit in the estate taxable amount. Now, one thing we do, besides cleaning and restoring the Chesapeake Bay, is we help clients implement living trusts, which are actually the owners and purchasers of those policies on the insured. And by organizing the insurance in that manner, it's now no longer included in the gross estate of the insured. Now, most people I know want to have estate tax problems because they're widely considered a good problem to have. You're only in such a position if you have millions of dollars worth of assets. So I hope to see many more clients in Maryland who need that type of service.